Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use emojis in Roblox PC. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so it's really simple. So the first thing you're going to want to do is then open up the chat and just type in hi. And then to actually get access to the emojis, you want to select the Windows key and the semicolon and colon key on your keyboard. And this is going to open up the box that then displays all the emojis. So here we can see all the different types of emojis we could use in our message. I'm just going to simply select this one, a nice smiley one. Okay, and then you can simply send that in the chat. And that's pretty much it. That is how to use emojis in Roblox PC. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.